Good morning, folks. Merry Christmas. It's 11:04, as you can see here and there, and we are battling for one of my personal favorites. Christopher's Tatooine Skiff there. You can see with the box and all the stuff. It looks really nice. We got 100 spots on a Christmas morning here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our big winner. Paste them in there. We got 100, which is good stuff because that's what we needed. Gonna roll the dice to see how many rounds we gotta go. Gotta get a 5 or better, as you guys know, which we did. We got an 8, so we're rolling. Good luck, everybody. Nice looking Christmas present here coming somebody's way right now. Here we go. Thor in the top spot for our first round with number 68. Joe, round 2. Michael takes round 3 with number 25. Michael takes round 4 with number 93. Thor again on top with 65 in round 5. Ryan Joseph, new member, I believe, takes round 6. Welcome, Ryan. Nick in the top spot for round 7, bringing us to the final round. The one that counts. The one that everybody's been waiting for. Here we go. Final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Mr. Dempsey. And at number 28, congrats, Brian. Here's the verification to make this official. ERTFQF is our verification code. Brian, and at number 28 is the champ of this battle. I'm done at 11:06. There you have it. Timestamp. There it is, 11:06. One last time. Brian's our winner. And at number 28, congrats. See you next time, guys. Thanks a bunch. Merry Christmas.